If you have been uploading your video through the YouTube app and you think you are done uploading your video once you click the publish button, guys, you are not done, okay? Most people upload their video using the YouTube app and think they are done. That is part of the process, okay? But after publishing your video on your YouTube app, okay, there are a few important things you need to go and set up inside your YouTube studio, okay? These settings, every creator should review before moving on after uploading your video through your YouTube app, okay? Those settings help you properly organize your content and make sure your video has all the information YouTube needs to organize your video and push it, okay? So in this video, I will walk you through exactly what I do every time I upload my video using the YouTube app, okay? Before we head over to my screen recorder to show you these steps, if this is your first time of coming to my channel or watching my video, I welcome you to my channel Learn with Chi, okay? Here you will learn a lot of things, especially some practical stuff to create a free AI video for the faceless YouTubers, okay? So if this is your first time of watching me, I welcome you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And like this video, watch it to the end, okay? Because you're going to learn a lot. Watch it to the end and share it for others to learn. Let's go, okay? Now, all you need to do is go to your Chrome browser. Depending on the browser you're using, just go to your browser. I'm going to open my Chrome browser. When you go to your browser, you come up here and type YouTube Creator Studio, okay? YouTube Creator Studio is send, okay? When you send, you look at the first one. That's one you're going to click, okay? The one that has Google logo. You tap on it. When you tap on it, it will open like this. You look down here. You click on Continue to Studio. You click on Continue to Studio. It's going to take you to your YouTube Studio. This is where you see a lot of settings, okay? Now we have come to my YouTube Studio, okay? I'm going to zoom this because it's tiny, okay? Now I'm using my mobile phone. If I'm using a laptop, you see this icon. Look by your left upper hand. You see yourself. This is me there. Those icons down there, they all have names. If I'm using laptop, you should have seen the name there, okay? So you are going to click on content. Content is the second one after my profile, okay? You tap on content. Remember, you are going to do this after you upload your video from YouTube app, okay? Now I have clicked on that content, that second icon. This is where it brought me to. Look at it. These are all the videos I have uploaded in my channel so far, okay? Now depending on the video you just want to do the settings, obviously it should be the first one, the one on top. That's the last video I uploaded, okay? All you need to do is tap on the title. Look at the title of my own here. Stop turning your script into voiceover, okay? You tap on the title of that particular video, okay? When you type on the title of that particular video, allow it to open. Now it has opened, okay? Let me zoom it a little. Now you see the title, your title, which you put through your YouTube app, okay? This is your description, this is your thumbnail, this is your playlist, okay? You scroll up, then you come down here, you see show more, okay? Let me zoom it. You click on show more, okay? Once you click on show more, you come down here and do some other settings, okay? Now you come to audience. Is your video meant for kids? Obviously no, okay? Unless you're into kids content. Now paid promotion, your video is not paid promotion, okay? Now AI use, was your video, you use AI in any of your video? Maybe it was that's was AI used to generate or edit your content in any of the following ways? Make a real person appear to say or do something that they did not say or do. You know, in this particular video, I use AI to introduce myself, introduce what the video is all about, okay? So that's why I label it yes. If you did not use any AI in your video, is no. So almost all the videos you saw I uploaded, this is the only video I used AI, okay? Now I said what? No. I said yes, okay? It was altered. There's a part where I featured it with AI, okay? Now you come to collaboration. You're not collaborating with anybody unless if you are collaborating with anybody. If a type on invite a collaborator, you will see a link there to send the person you are collaborating with, okay? Now after that, you come down here. This is tags, okay? If you don't have tags, if you are a faceless YouTuber or even a face YouTuber is supposed to set up your tag long time ago. Okay, now my tag is already. If your tag is not here, you can use your niche or whatever your niche you are doing to go to chat GPT to give you tags. Okay, now after that you come language and caption certification. Most time initially all I do is to anytime I post my video I will come here and select language. I will see so many language: English or United Kingdom, English United States. So you're gonna select United States. So as at a long run, I have to go to my setting to set it permanent. No need of setting it each time I uploaded my video. You understand? Now after that, you come down here, license, standard YouTube license. No. Now allow embedding. This one is already put take it good. It will help you to circulate your video, okay, to other places. Now another place is that is important that you need to set up is done. Now this is the main place we are going to go now to set some things up. Okay, we are done from here. Let me minimize this thing back. Okay, we are done from here. The next place we are going to do, immediately you click on content and click on the video you want to edit. You come here, okay. This is the video I'm editing something on it. I want to set some things. Okay, now you can see the link of the video, script to AI image and video prompt. This is the name I name my file. I name it in my file manager before I even upload it. Okay, guys, if you have not been naming your video before uploading, you are making a mistake. Do you know why? Because if you don't rename your video, it's going to come in number and some alphabets, which will not help YouTube to push your video to know who your video is meant for. Okay, now after that, the video is on public. Now see here, subtitles, you're not going there. End screen, you're going on end screen. Now you tap on this pencil icon. If you don't know what end screen is, okay, end screen is a video, a title or a video that will show at the end of your video. I don't know if you have been watching video before. If you have been watching someone video, I mean, at the end of the video you see another video pop up on the screen. Okay, this is the video that's going to play after that particular one you watch is done playing. Okay, or you can tap on it to watch. So you need to put it will, and you're going to put a video related to the main video, the one you just uploaded. Okay, now I have my own already, but if you come here, open it, you go to this you see end screen by your left hand here, you click on element, the plus sign. It will ask you to select a video. Is it from your video or from your playlist or from your subscribe or from your channel? Okay, I always click on video. When you click on video, it will ask you to choose the most recent uploaded, best for viewers, choose specific video. I always click on choose specific video. Okay, you tap on specific video, it will enable you to make your choice. Okay, now all you have to do is, let me click on this. I click on choose the video you want. Okay, now as you can see, I have, you click the video you want. Okay, I did not remove the upper one. When you click the video you want, all you have to do is come down here and drag this. Okay, drag this to the second, to the minutes you want it to start showing on your screen when the person one is watching your video. You understand? So the reason why you are saying you can't have two, you can't have two elements promoting the same video. As you can see, I have already put in one there before. Okay, so I have to remove it. Okay, that was the same video. Okay, guys, let me remove it. Let me go back and select another video. Okay, let me select this one. Okay, now yes, it can put two end screen. Okay, this one can be here, this one can be here. Once you select the one you want, okay, you come down here, you see this arrow, here, you use it and drag it to place it to the exact minutes you want it to start showing on your screen while someone is watching. You get? So after that, you click on save up here. You click on save, is save. Okay, now after your end screen, the next thing you're going to set up is card. You tap on this icon beside the card. Once you tap on it, the interface also looks like end screen. Okay, now this card, just like I told you earlier, while watching other people's video, you must have noticed it. As the video is about to finish, you see some write up on the top of the screen up. Just look at my own here. Okay, that it comes to this card, the plus sign, tap on it to choose a video you want to use as your card. Okay, either you choose from your video, from your playlist, or from your channel. I always choose from my video. Okay, you click on your video. Once it's open, guys, you choose a video you want. Okay, you choose a video you want. Now I just choose a video. Once you're done, the same arrow, you use it and drag it to the exact minutes you want it to start showing. Once your video is playing, okay, once you are done, you come here and tap what? Save. Guys, you tap save. You are done from here. Okay, now let's go back. After that, we are done with these settings. Okay, we are done with these settings. We go back. Once you go back, another thing you are going to set up, you come to this pencil icon, the light icon, the second to the light icon. Okay, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, it takes you to your channel customization. Okay, channel customization. This is where you will see your banner if you want to change your banner or remove it. Also your profile pic if you want to remove it. Okay, now this is the what you are going to do here. When you come here, you see your profile, you tap on home. Let me zoom this. You tap on home tab, you click on home tab. Once it opens, okay, now you see share your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Layout, customize the layout of your channel home page with up to 12 sections. Okay, now you come down here, this one says channel trailer for people who have not subscribed. Guys, this is very important. I don't know, okay, let me use my channel as an example. If you go to my channel, you will see a video permanently there. Okay, this is a video, a kind of welcoming video to anybody that comes to my channel. You understand? That video is there anytime, any day. It's just a kind of a video that carried my channel. That's what it's called, channel trailer. Okay, now if you want to, whether you're growing or whether you're a new YouTuber or you're already grown here, always do this. Okay, when you uploaded a video, you come here, that particular video you uploaded, use it and do your channel trailer. Okay, so that whoever that stay your channel will see it first, they will click on it. It will help you, it will help your views to increase. Okay, any video of your choice. So when you come here, all you have to do, because I have my own already, I'll click on this three dot line, this three dot by my right side. I'll click on it. When I click on it, it asks me to change video or remove video. Okay, I'm going to tap on remove. Okay, so I have removed it entirely. So when you tap on this home tab, okay, you come here at this plus sign by the left side hand, add section. Okay, you tap on add section. If you see channel trailer, you tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, it will take you to your videos to select a video you want to use as your channel trailer, guys. Okay, so normally I always use the last video I uploaded, so I'm going to use this one as usual, the one I removed earlier. So once you tap the one you want to use, once you tap the one you want to use, once you selected it, guys, you come down here, future video for returning subscribers. Okay, like I said, when you come to my channel, you see all of these things. You see two video that is permanently there. Okay, once you tap on it, once you tap on this one, future video for returning subscribers. Okay, because I have it already, I tap here and remove it. Okay, once I remove it, I go to this plus sign that says add screen. You tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, what you are going to click is spotlight for returning subscribers. Okay, I'm removing this to reduce it for those who have no idea of this. Okay, once you open your home tab, you come to this plus sign that says add station. Okay, you tap on it. First you choose your channel trailer, the second one spotlight for returning subscribers. Okay, you tap on it, it takes you to all your videos to select the video you want to place. Okay, you choose anyone. Let me just choose anyone. Okay, I choose this one. Okay, once I choose this one, it's there already. I have chosen the one I want. Okay, you now come down here, you come up here, you see publish. Guys, you publish it. Once you publish it, you are done, guys. You are done. Okay, you are done. Uploading your video from the YouTube app, it doesn't have all these settings that I show you. it does not have it. Okay, so it take you to come to your YouTube studio to set all these things. This will help YouTube to, organize your content and push it more. Okay, you may think it doesn't matter because you may be a new YouTuber, but guys, believe me, YouTube are watching these things. They are watching your consistency. Okay, they are watching how consistent you are. So don't give up. Keep doing the right things and leave the rest for YouTube. Okay, so if you are the type that always upload your video from the YouTube app, you publish it, you go your way, you think, I'm done. No, guys, you are not done. You need to come to your YouTube studio to set some things. Okay, so with this step I just show you now, I hope you are going to get it. Okay, so guys, if you have watched this video to the end, I thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time of coming to my channel. Like this video and share it for others to learn. Okay, thank you.